Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a health bar. We'll start by understanding the fundamental elements that comprise a health bar system. You'll learn to visually represent a character's health using a straightforward bar, making it easy for players to grasp their current status. We will also cover the essential mechanics for decreasing and increasing health, ensuring your game's core loop functions smoothly and intuitively. This guide aims to simplify the process for you. Now, let's dive into the visual aspect of your health bar. A common approach involves using two images, one for the background and another for the foreground, which represents the actual health. You'll dynamically adjust the width of this foreground image to reflect the character's current health value. For added clarity, think about changing the bar's color, perhaps to red, when health drops below a critical 25% threshold, giving players a clear visual cue. Next, we'll implement the core logic that drives your health bar. You'll need to define two key variables, one for the character's maximum health, perhaps set to 100, and another for their current health. Develop distinct functions to handle both damage, which reduces current health, and healing, which restores it. It's crucial to include checks to prevent current health from ever exceeding the maximum value or dropping below zero, maintaining game integrity. Finally, let's explore ways to enhance your health bar beyond the basics. Consider adding smooth, interpolated animations when health changes, making the visual updates more fluid and engaging for players. You might also want to include a text display showing the exact numerical health value, offering precise information. Don't be afraid to experiment with various bar shapes, styles, and even multiple health segments to create a unique and visually appealing interface for your game.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.